Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, hope you will find. Our today's topic is permanent tissue. Permanent tissue. We have seen that cells, new cells, they are produced by the meristem, by the division of the meristematic cells. New cells produced by the meristem. They are initially like those of meristem itself. New cells are initially like those of meristem itself, but as they grow and mature but as they grow and mature they lose their characteristics and become differentiated as permanent tissues. As permanent tissue. मतलब यम नए cells produce करा by meristem तम हस initially आसा कथि meristemas but युथि तम grow च गसा and mature they lose their characteristics of dividing ठीक and they become permanent tissues, they become differentiated as permanent tissues ठीक तेल वनोस what happens to the cells produced by the meristem? They take a specific function, they take a specific role and they lose their ability to divide. As a result they form permanent tissue. The cells which are formed by the meristematic tissue, they take up a specific role and lose their ability to divide. As a result they form a permanent tissue. This process, the process of taking a permanent shape, size and function and rule. This is called differentiation. Then we see cells of meristematic tissue. Differentiate to form different types of permanent tissue. ठीक. Now we will discuss simple permanent tissue. Simple permanent tissue. ठीक. The cells which are formed by the meristem, a few layers of these cells, they form a few layers of cells, they form packing tissue, basic packing tissue. This tissue is called parenchyma. You see, parenchyma, it is a type of a permanent tissue. This permanent tissue parenchyma, it consists of, it consists of unspecialized cells, unspecialized cell with thin walls, with thin cell walls. Unspecialized cell thin cell walls they are live cells, live cells but they are usually usually loosely packed, loosely packed so that large spaces between cells are found in this tissue. Large spaces are found between cells in this tissue. This tissue it provides tissue it provides support to plants and also stores food. Provide support to plant store food. In some situations it contains chlorophyll. Situation parenchyma chlorophyll, and this parenchyma it carries out photosynthesis, and this type of parenchyma is called chlorenchyma. Chlorenchyma go parenchyma containing chlorophyll and performing photosynthesis. Chlorenchyma. And in some aquatic plants large cavities are present in parenchyma to give buoyancy to the plants. Such a parenchyma is called arenchyma. Arenchyma parenchyma containing air cavities and giving buoyancy to the plants to support them, to help them to float. Such is called arenchyma. These are the simple permanent